Hey everyone! Today we're diving into Ottogi soon Black Pepper Tteokbokki. This isn't just another spicy tteokbokki. The bold, peppery aroma hits first, followed by a clean, lingering heat that coats your palate. The package comes with chewy rice cakes, sauce, toppings, and black pepper powder. Cooking? Couldn't be easier. Rinse the rice cakes, then toss them into a pan with 10 ounces of water, the sauce, and toppings. Bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes, and you'll get a rich, flavorful broth with perfectly chewy rice cakes. A final dusting of black pepper powder amps up the umami and gives it a crisp, satisfying finish. First bite, the peppery spice blooms instantly, leaving a deep, lingering heat that keeps you hooked. If you love soupy tteokbokki or just want to experience spice in a new way, this one's a must-try. A bold, addictive black pepper tteokbokki. Let's make it happen. Have a simple and delicious day with 심플케이밀.